Aloha and welcome to the introduction module for ICS 314, Spring 2017. And this module has a lot of readings, as you can see. And since this is the first time looking at this, if you haven't taken another course of the Maria Framework, all the modules have some learning outcomes, some readings, and some experiences that you should do. And then once there'll be assessments later on that'll be added to this. But for the introduction module, you can see there's a lot of different readings. There's several screencasts. This is the one you're watching right now. You should read about grading. Just go through all these. Hamilton basement rules. We're guests in the basement of the library. We have to treat it with care. Section attendance, you should read through this to make sure you understand why you can only attend the section that you're enrolled in. Definitely look at laptop requirements. Here's a little overview of WADS, which is the way we're doing a lot of the evaluation. Here's a very interesting essay about how to watch screencasts the smart way. Okay, you'll be doing a lot of your learning via screencasts, and there are ways to learn effectively using screencasts and ways that don't work so well. So be sure to go through that to make sure that you understand how to make the most use of your time watching videos in this class. This is a great little article about how hard it is to learn to program and, kind of the limits on what you can do in a short period of time. And then at the bottom we have these three experiences. If you haven't learned to use the command line, there's a Codecademy course that you can try out. I want you to make sure that you have the appropriate hardware, an appropriate operating system, and you've installed Chrome. That's the browser we'll be using in this class for a lot of development. Make sure that's done by the 10th of January, 11:30 p.m. And then the third one is to introduce yourself, and that means joining the ICS 314 Slack team, and then setting up your profile, and then posting a short introductory paragraph about yourself into the general channel. Make sure that we know that you're there and you can start to learn about the other students in the class. We'll be using Slack for a lot of communication in this class. So that's the introductory module. The other thing to note is the schedule page. You can see that this introductory module is only 2 days long. Starting on Thursday, we're going to jump into the JavaScript Basics module, and we're off to the races for this class. So have fun.